Hello, class. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you are fine and doing great at your homes. So, we have completed our first chapter, and today we are going to start our second chapter of grammar. And the second chapter of grammar is singular and plural. So, what do we mean by singular? Singular means one thing, and the plural become more than one thing. See, like in singular I had one pencil, but in plural I had two pencil, more than one. Okay, plural means more than one. Now let us read and recall. One means one and many means one means one and many means more than one. I told you now, I have one pencil in singular, one, and many I have more than one means two. Same way I have one rubber in one, but I will be having two rubber in plural. Clear, everyone? Now let us see. Match one with its many. Now book is C matched with book. Now this papers will be matched to papers. Match it. The bag will be matched to bags. This cow will be matched to cow. This eye will be matched to two eyes. And this star will be matched to stars. Clear, everyone? Like this you have to match the singular ones, you have to match with their plural ones. Means book means how many books? 5 books. Clear? Like same way I told you, now I have one pencil. Now I'll match with it two pencil because I had two pencil. Clear? Now come to the next page. Here it is told that look at the pictures and write their many. Like we have to write their many. How we can write? The first word is of girl. So G I R L S. When we write many, we add S at the last. In whatever word we add S in the last. Like who is he? He is a teacher. T E A C H E R S. S. Now what it is? Tables. T A B L E S. What it is? Aeroplane. Now plane. P L A N E S. At the last we add S. What it is? Computer. C O M P U T E R S. Computers. What it is? Trees. T R E E E S. Trees. Clear, everyone? Like this we can do our, if we have one we can do it many by adding S or ES. We have to add S or ES. Clear, everyone? To add S or ES. Now let's learn. One means singular in number, many means plural in number. I told now one means singular in number and many means plural in number. In plural we add S. I told you when we have to from one we have to make it many, we'll add S to it. Like book become books, pencil become pencils, pen become pens, rubber become rubbers. If a noun ends with an or E, we change them to verb. Like knife, thief. Knife become VES. Thief become thieves. Okay, clear? If noun ends with an or E and or FE, we change it with the this. If it is FE or EF, we change it with VES. Last we add VES. If a noun ends with A, Y, we change them to Y to IES. If it changes with Y or I, we change it as babies. Same way, cry will become cries. Fry will become fries. Clear, everyone? Like this. If it is Y, it changes to IES. Okay? Like this we can, sky becomes skies. Okay, like this we can change it. Buy become buys. Buy become buys. Like this we can change it. If a noun ends with a vowel plus y, we add s to the noun. If it is y or vowel, we add boy, like boy, boys, girl, girls, pencil, pencils. If a noun ends with o, s, x, sh or ch, we add es to the noun. If it ends with these words, we add es, like mango become mangoes, bus become buses, box, boxes, bush, bushes, watch, watches. Okay, if it ends with these words, we add es to the nouns. Clear everyone? These are some rules. You have to learn these rules. Then only you can make one to many. Clear everyone? Move to the next page. See here, some nouns have no rules. For example, these all words don't need rule, like man become men. Like here, let us read. Man becomes men, mouse, mice, child, children. These are all plural form of these words. Tooth, teeth, goose, geese, ox, oxen, foot, feet, woman, woman, woman. Clear everyone? So these are the plural form of these words. This cannot be written as man, cannot be written as mans. Mouse, mouses. We cannot write it. Mouse, it will be mice. Clear? You have to learn this. Just learn it. Clear? Same way you have to learn it. Now, encircle and underline. Encircle singular noun and underline plural noun. We have to encircle singular and underline plural. Now mother, what it will be? Mothers, it will be plural. So we will underline it. Children, singular. Circle it. Puppy, it will be singular. Circle it. Table, it is singular. Tooth, singular. Bananas, it will be plural. Underline it. Country, singular. Wolves, plural. House, singular. Driver, singular. Computer, singular. Buffalo, singular. Mice, plural. Teacher, singular. Carrot, singular. Clear? In this way we have just find out that the encircle one are singular and underline one are plural. Facts. Common nouns have their plural. Okay, common nouns may have their plurals. In proper noun, days of the week have their plural. For example, Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. Okay, they have their plural. Since noun like earth, sun, moon, hair, ship, deer, biscuit, aircraft have no plurals. These words do not have the plurals. You have to know that these words do not have the plural. So you have to learn it. Clear? Now, coming to the next one. Fill in the following blanks with the nouns given in the bracket. I have 2 storybooks. There is 2, more than 1. So we will add s. Now, there is a dash near me. Lake or lakes? It will be there is a lake near me. Okay, lake. 2 dash are sitting on the tree. Now here more than 1 is there. What we will use? Very good. It will be birds. Come to the next page. We study in dash second. Classes? No. One class only na? So it will be class. Lata is her what? Sister or sisters? One only sister. So it will be sister. He is my friend or friends. Here only one is denoting. So it will be friend. The dash eat grass. So the cow eat grass. Tiger is the national animal or animals. How many tiger? One tiger only. So what it will be? Animal. Diwali is the festival or festivals? Is the festivals of light. Sunday is a holiday or holidays? One Sunday only, so it will be holiday. Clear? I hope this much is clear to you. Now this is your homework. You will do it as your homework. Clear everyone? I hope you all understood it. If you have any doubt regarding this, ask me in the group. I'll answer your question. Until we meet, thank you for watching this and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you everyone.